Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to your class 2 science class. So, about your project, I already told you on the videos. Hope you all saw those videos. And today I will discuss it again. Okay. So, if you have any questions about this project, if you can't understand anything, please let me know. Okay, everyone. So you can take your copy book with you. You can write down some points about this project that which you have to do this on the project. No Shrestha, I will tell you that which things you have to do. Okay, then that things you have to follow it. So about your project name, you already know this, that's Leaves on Scrapbook. Leaves on scrap book. There is no page number, Snigdha. It's a project work. Please listen very carefully about it and take your copy book to write down those points that which you have to do. First of all is on scrap book. First of all you have to take a notebook 10 to 12 page. 10 to 12 page notebook or copy book also, and that may be small. Okay, that may be small in size, because if you take in small size of copy book, you can carry easily. So that's why I suggest you to take a small size notebook which have 10 to 12 page, Okay, hope you understand. Next, take it next you have to collect 10 different leaves of different plants. Collect 10 different leaves of different plant. That means if you have to take one hibiscus leaf, one rose leaf, one neem, tulsi, those any other leaves from different plants. Okay, if you collect the more than one, you can share with your friends. As I already learned about you that sharing is a good policy, right? So if you share your extra leaves with your friends, that will be very good. Okay, and you will get the very happy of this. So if your friend cannot collect any leaves, and if you can ask your friends ask you about those leaves, if you have extra, you can share it. So first of all you have to collect those leaves, and then you have to paste it on your notebook. Paste and write its name. So these three things you have to do it. So here, hope you can see this. See, that's your notebook. Okay, think that's your notebook, and at the upside, on your right side of this notebook, you have to paste the leaf. You can collect the leaf, you can make it dry, and after drying you can paste it with sellotape or any good glue that's not be affected on the next page. So that type of glue you can use. It's better to use sellotape. Okay, it's better to use sellotape. And after pasting it, Write down its name under it. Write down its name under it. If that leaf is hibiscus, write here hibiscus. If this leaf is rose, write here rose. If tulsi, neem, mango, lychee, any other leaves, you have to write down its name. Okay, under this leaf, under the pasting, you have to write down its name. So first of all, that's a making of scrapbook. So first of all, take a notebook. It's just name. Lives on scrapbook. It's just a name. So take a notebook which have only 10 to 12 pages. Think that is a notebook. Okay, I just give an example. That's a notebook, and after this right side of your notebook, you have to paste the leaf, and under it you have to write down its name. If you want to cover your page, book or notebook, you can do this. If you want to decorate it, you can do this. And on this book, on the cover page, you have to write down it's the name of the project. Okay, name of the project, your name, school name, your class, those things you have to do. I will mention the other things if any instruction I will given that on your e-portal. Okay, you have to check the e-portal about this if any other instruction. But till now you have to do those things. First of all, you have to take a 10 to 12 page notebook. You can get a small notebook that will be easy to handle. So that's why I suggest that small. Next, you have to collect 10 different types of leaves from different plants. As I give already example, you can collect anything, from flower plants, from fruit plants, medicinal plants, any leaf you can collect. Okay, and then you have to paste on your right side of your copybook, and under it you have to write down its name. Because if you don't write its name, you can't understand that which leaf it is, and me too. That's why I suggest you to write down its name. Okay, so hope you understand about it, that about your project work, which I already discussed on your offline videos, and again I told you. So if anything that you can't understand, and is it hard or any problem if you facing, or if you think that you can't do it, let me know please. Tell me, have you any problem on that, on your this project? Okay, Susan. And others, let me know. Snigdha, please stop recording now. Okay, Shomagni, Shamriddho, Upasho, Chand, very good. So you don't have any problem on that. Okay, so you can, there is not a time limit to make it. You can start it from today also, or on others day also you can start it, and after drying those leaves you can paste it, that will be no problem. And if any problem you face to make it, you can ask me freely on the chat box of your e-portal. Okay, on e-portal you can ask me there. So hope there is no problem on making this, and hope you all copied those things, those points on your copybook. Did you all copy those points on your copybook? Okay. Okay everyone, so I have to erase these things. I have to erase it now. Okay. So I am now erasing it. Okay. Now open the Air around us, this chapter, air around us at page number 37. Page number 37. And name is air around us. This chapter which we already started to discuss, and almost we completed that. We already get to know about the air has dust in it, air has germs in it, and air has smoke in it. So today we will discuss about the breathe fresh air. Breathe fresh air. So these things we learn that air has too much germs and there has a smoke. When we go to the outside of our house, there on the road there is too much smoke came out from the vehicles and those factories and mills also. For burning those petrol, diesel, coal, wood, for those things, for burning those things, there some black smoke came out from those things, those vehicles, those factories. So we must breathe clean and fresh air. You know that the impure air, if we take the impure air, that will be very dangerous for our health. So that's why we must breathe clean and fresh air. We must take clean and fresh air. So that's very needed for us, for everyone, right? So which things we have to do? We have to make the air clean. So that's why we have to grow more plants. We have to grow more plants. So that's why we have to plant so too much trees, shrubs, herbs, those things also. So grow more plants, because you know the plants makes our air clean. Plants makes our air clean because when they make their food, as you know plants make their own food. When plants make their own food, that time they take carbon dioxide. They take carbon dioxide, and as you know, when we take breath, we get oxygen, right? And we release carbon dioxide. But plant is little different. When they making their own food, that time they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Like that, by this process they make our air clean. Understand everyone? How to plant help us to make our air clean. So we should grow more green plants and around us. Besides us, if you have garden, if besides any area you have, that area you can plant more trees. You should grow more green plants. Okay, so that's things you have to do to make our air clean and fresh. And the next, we should keep sorry, we should keep doors and windows open to let the fresh air come in. We should keep our doors, in our house, in our room, we should keep our doors and windows open. By that, fresh air can come in and the unfresh air can go out. So we should keep it open for fresh air. Next is we can call the good ventilation. Good ventilation, that means the fresh air can come in, the unfresh air can go out. So these things we can maintain it. Next is we should not cover our face when we sleep. It's very bad habit if you cover your face when you sleep. So don't do this, that will be cause of the breathing problem. So we should not cover our face when we sleep. We should not cover our face when we sleep. We should play in the park or in the open ground. You know that in the open ground, in the park, there are a lot of trees, right? So when you go for playing on that area, you can take a lot of fresh air, fresh oxygen also. So that's why in the evening or in the morning when you go for playing, not morning, in the evening also, morning we can go for walk, morning walk in the park. We can do the exercise in the park also, but when you go for playing, you can go the open ground, there are lot of fresh air we can take it. So that's why we should maintain those things to get fresh air, to breathe fresh air. First of all, we have to grow more plants. Second of all, we have to open windows and doors in our room and in our house, for getting fresh air. Third of all, should not cover your face while sleeping. Should not cover face while sleeping. And fourth of all, that we should play on open ground. Should play on open ground, not road, ground or park, okay, not road. So we have to maintain those all things to breathe the fresh air. Okay, and air is important for life on the earth. We should not make it impure. Impure air make our health very unhealthy. So don't make it impure. You can try, we can grow more plants to make our air pure. Okay everyone, hope you all understand it. So have you any problem, because we completed this chapter air around us? Have you any problem, you can ask me. In the next class we will start the exercise part of this chapter. Okay? Okay, so hope you all understand these things which you have to do about the project. This is on scrapbook, and if you have any kinds of problems you face, you can ask me freely on the chat box of e-portal. Okay? Yes, Pratushna? Tell me. Have you any problem? You can tell me now. And for your this chapter air around us, we completed. Shrestha, I told you na, not needed the scrapbook, not needed. You can buy any thin type of notebook, 10 to 12 page notebook, okay? Pratushna, I already discussed about it. You can show those videos. I am uploading those videos. So you can saw this again, that leaves on scrapbook. I already discussed on offline videos and today also. That is about the making leaves on scrapbook. So here you have to collect 10 different leaves from different plants. And yes, Pratushna, I am now telling, please listen carefully. You have to take 10 different leaves from different plants, okay, like hibiscus, rose, neem, tulsi, mango, lychee, anything, any kinds of leaves. You have to collect one, and you have to paste this one leaf on your notebook, and this notebook must be 10 to 12 pages and it may be small. So you have to collect this and you have to paste it, and after pasting this leaf, you have to see under it you have to write its name. If you paste the hibiscus leaf, under it write hibiscus. If you paste rose leaf, write under it, after pasting write under it rose. Okay? Yes, Pratushna? You can saw the videos again in YouTube. Okay, you can saw the videos again, and if you face any kinds of problem, you can ask me on e-portal. Okay everyone? Yes, Pratushna. I will share these videos also on YouTube. Okay. So, who are present in this class, please write here P. I am taking the attendance now. And that's all for today.